This size and tie them. They're short, they're mid-length.
Next week at 9:30 is payout. Be here at 9:30 for your payouts.
That's the second time that ball did that.
Okay, that would be great because it took us forever to get this appointment.
He went for a ride in the tire.
I didn't see it.
The person said it was making a weird noise, and then the police, the cops found it in the tire. Can you imagine the noise? Oh my god. I did. Right. So she has to script it. Yeah. I got her address and everything. I said, when she gets it done, we'll bring it over. She said, you have her number. So.
Beef study. House mouth. Beef study.
Is this our last game? I gotta take a leak. I gotta take a leak.
Don't want to get all.
You can't see my house because it wasn't built.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So that's my brother's place.
That's the end of the last one. Like, alright.
I do too. I just want the sandwiches. I'm on fixing literally. I go to work for 8 to 10 hours a day. 8 to 10 hours a day, and I hit 4 or 5 sandwiches. Yeah, and that's 4 or 5 sandwiches. Killing that bologna and cheese.
I remember the last time I worked an 8-hour shift. I wish I did.
I think
There's a small step down in the wood, I believe. Maybe not. There might be a step up to the wood. No, no. Are you trying to be in the way? Somebody's gonna step on you. I swear to God. Yeah, you almost got taken out. Yeah, back up. Great. It's amazing how much Jeff looks like his mom.
Hey guys, sorry I didn't have an intro this morning. Welcome back to Bigleprachaun Bowling for the next episode. Just finished the last week at Tuesday Morning League. Shot 695. Had games of 224, 246, 225. Threw the katana slash all morning. Got real comfortable. I'm real comfortable with that ball now, so that might be my benchmark ball from now on. When I go to States, that's probably gonna be the ball I throw. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow night for Wednesday Night League. Hey guys, wanted to hear from Bigleprachaun Bowling. Just wanted to go and talk a little bit before I got relax for a little bit before I go in Hanover for league tonight. It's about 70, about 80 degrees outside. The thing I want to talk about is I see most people that bowl league will bowl after they're done league. I understand you want to bowl after league, but if it's to work on stuff, that's understandable. But why you gotta bowl after league if you're just gonna mess around with bowling and not actually go and work on stuff with what happened during league, or that you feel like you need to work on? So, and another thing is like when you go to tournaments and stuff, what I'd like to know is how many bowling balls you take, and what do you do the prep before league, like what, like pre-league routine. How do you relax during in between bowling? Stuff like that. And that's all I have for right now, and then I'll see you guys later on tonight for league.
Here's a card.
Is that mine? Thank you.
need to get something to drink. I don't know what. I've been drinking so much soda.
Yeah, that's why you're
And I was drinking regular soda. You're thinking that makes you gain weight? I just went over. I'm 301. Now, what the hell's going on? I mean, they say drink diet soda. Don't drink regular soda. The only thing I've been doing is drinking Coke for the last fucking 2 weeks because that's the only thing that makes my throat go better.
Yeah.
And I'm losing weight. I don't know what to think anymore. Where do you know him from?
Mary?
Yeah.
Tuesday nights?
Oh, he works Tuesday nights out here. It's what I do best. Should have threw my spare bar.
It's fine.
Come on, Donnie. Yeah. No, you're not. Yeah, it is.
I don't have a problem with finding those. What I like about the pictures, and I don't want those people to see me, but to roll over and see what you're going better. So I was like, yeah.
Okay.
You're not, when you get to it's not.
Okay. All right. Let me see.
I don't work black and white.
Yeah. I'll try and work it out for you. Yeah. 12 noon. All right.
Which one? Barnes? Bear? Barnes? Which one?
Joe Moore.
Once that thing goes off, it's fine. I stuck a little bit. Didn't come off my hand right.
Oh my God. Oh, that was a good, yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Hey guys, it's Thursday morning. It's about 70-some degrees outside. What I'm doing right now is pulling up my scores from last night. In league last night, I threw my Katana Slash all night. Love that ball, feels great. I love having the pinky hole, helps me get a little bit more on. One game was 223, 221, 244 for 688. That was a 229 average for the night. I like that. I will talk more about stuff tomorrow, and then I'll be uploading a new episode. So you guys have a nice day. Enjoy the nice weather, everything like that. And the thing I was wondering is, when you guys go the bowl, what do you wear like to help keep from injury or anything like that? I like to use KT tape. This is the Pro. I usually get like blue, green, pink, like the brighter colors. Or I also picked up this tape too. It's an off-brand of KT tape, but I figured I'd give it a try. So just like to know what everybody uses to keep from injury. Alright, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. Like yesterday, I said I'd have a little bit more and then have the outro kind of thing. The more I have is summer's coming up. I know most of us in the fall and winter are bowling about 3 to 4 leagues a week just to keep us going, keep us nice and strong, stuff like that. Most of us in the summer bowl maybe like 1 league just to stay fresh through the summer. Some bowl sports shot, some bowl just a regular league. I'm bowling a sports shot league in the summer. I want to get a little bit better at the sports shots, and I want to roll on shots I've never rolled on before. The league I'm bowling in is at Bowling Center. They're doing They're doing 8 of the Kegel landmark patterns, which I love, and I'm hoping one of them is red square because I've seen how that shot's laid out and stuff like that, and I want to bowl on it just to see how I do. So let me know like what kind of shots you've bowled on before and how you've played them and what you've scored and stuff like that. In the past, the highest I've scored on a Kegel pattern, if I remember correctly, was Route 66. I've shot 655 on that shot way back in the day. And just let me know like what shots you like to roll on. Do you like to roll on short, long, or medium patterns? So that's all I have for now for this episode. Don't forget to go and subscribe to the House Bowling channel, the Hack House Bowling channel, the 220 Average Bowler channel, Brad and Kyle's channel, the Beef and Barnsey Show channel, JJ Shriver channel. Don't forget to subscribe to mine. And I'll see you guys next week for the next episode. And the next episode will have, next weekend I go in both states. So the next episode will have footage from states on it. So the next episode might not be uploaded until the week after.